So guys, this system I'm using is saying I'm only allowed to use for 10 minutes. I'm allowed to record 10 minutes for 10 minutes. So guys, okay, it's fine, but I'll just continue with the video here, guys. So you see, guys, I will wait for price to take out this high. This high. After this high, I'll wait for price to just like this, to react like this, guys. Maybe they say takes this high, comes back, test here, and then we are going up. So guys, basically this is a CRT if it plays out. So guys, now we watch the price how it does, but it seems like it's rejecting nicely, guys. Like it's rejecting, it's going up, but we will see what's happening, what will happen. So this is what I'll wait for, guys. Basically, maybe it will, but it will create maybe a fair value gap or something when it goes up. That not right now, I do not have the point of interest where I will enter. And then let's see. Let me try to see where will I put my first TP. On the 50% level. I didn't mark it. I didn't mark the 50. Okay, my feet. Just like this. This will be my TP. I wasn't expecting this video to be that long, but it's fine. I cannot record another one, guys, because I have to trade also now. So I just wanted to do the pre-recording before it happens, not after. So 15 minutes. So guys, this is where I'll target. You see, here's the 50 level. I'll just mark it as a resistance. Price, my first TP will be here if we are going up, guys. So remember, we have a bearish scenario. Now I'm giving you a bullish scenario. This is the longs. Where's the long? Where are you? Here. This is what I will wait for, guys. This is basically what I'll wait for. But you see, these weeks, guys, must just be a little bit far from them. See, guys, yeah, that's where I will wait for price. Maybe what I will wait for price to do. And then after here, guys, you remember, guys, we still have the daily high, guys. If price are still going up, if it happens that price pushes and close above, maybe above here, guys, which means we are still going bullish, guys. I'll wait for price to take out these highs. I'll also wait for price to take out these highs, guys, these ones, because we're having some kind of a resistance there. I'll wait for price just to maybe go take out here, comes back here and retest, and then we are going up again. So guys, we'll see what price does, guys. As long as you follow this, guys, I think you are good for the week, guys. We look at just gonna give you a full setup, guys, on what to expect on gold. So maybe we'll wait again for price to come here, and then we're going to take out this size if the bullish scenario plays out. And you remember the bearish scenario, I already gave it on that video, on the other video, guys. So now all we do is to wait and see what price does. There's no need to rush, guys. The market is always there. It will give you an opportunity, even if around 11 o'clock late, it will happen. This thing will play out, guys. One of them will play out. You don't need to rush to enter just because you want to always see yourself in a trade, guys. You lose money when you do this, guys. Just be patient, guys. So, guys, yeah, I think I'm done, guys. Please, guys, like and subscribe, guys. Have a wonderful day.